So someone is saying, Vussy, the probabilities gold is gonna buy. So I think you can see you're saying, are there any probabilities that gold is gonna buy? Let me check. Let's check. If you came in late, fam, don't worry. I'm gonna repost some of these clips from this live. Gold. What's going on? Someone asked me to analyze gold, so I'm gonna go through it like fast in the building. We're gonna go through thing. You niggas don't sleep, Joe. Me, I expected people to be sleeping. You know, I expected people to be sleeping here, and apparently apparently we're all the same. We don't sleep because the money never sleep. You understand? The money don't sleep. I don't want to do it. In-depth analysis. I'm gonna be fast. You know, I'm gonna be fast with this one. I'm gonna be very fast. So I'm seeing a level there. Follow me, fam. Follow me. You understand? There's a very strong level, powerful level there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times, but the price is far away from this level. So let's find another level that we can use. There's a there's this level, but it's only twice, so it still counts. But we have to be extra careful now with this one. We can't just you know can't just already. It's looking like a retest here. This one I don't really like it because it's choppy. The price action here is a little bit weird. So I think we're gonna have to only use these two levels. Ash, my G, we can't sleep. We can't sleep. The money don't sleep. So just for security reasons, I'm gonna have this trend line, and then we're gonna go to H4 time frame. You see now those period separators that show us the movement between a day, they don't work well with the H4 because now the H4 it's only like a few candlesticks. You understand? So this is our H4, what it's looking like. Prince, my G. I think I saw you on the previous live. So shout out, my G. Appreciate it. My G, you want money. First and foremost, do you have any books you recommend for trading, bro? Me, personally, I was raised in this Forex market, or Forex journey. I was raised by the street, meaning I had to learn the hard way. Everything I like, these books, there's this other one called the Trading Bible with like 1,000 pages. I look at that thing, and I was stressed because now, Pella, some of us in books and studying anything that involves like something remote to like studying, like it's not the one. You understand? It's not the one. So I saw the thing. I saw the the Trading Bible, and I was like, I'm not studying. I dropped out to avoid this thing, and I'm not gonna go back to. I'm not gonna go back to reading books and reading chapters and stuff, man. Unless they made a movie about the Trading Journal book, which is what I used to do in school. They would drop some, yeah, you need to read this literature book and whatever, and then I would just go and watch the movie instead. And then yeah, that's what we did. So there's a lot of books, but books are not gonna teach you the about the market straight. The best teacher about Forex is basically the Forex market. You understand? It's just like when you wanna be good at this life thing, books are not gonna really show you. They'll tell you what to do in life in theory, but this is real life, you understand? It's not always ABC. So I would prefer you to learn in the streets. You understand? So hey, I'm even forgetting here that we're analyzing my fit. We don't do that here. Yeah, no, we don't do that. What strategy do I use? Me, I use the strategy that's making money in this moment. Meaning, I don't box myself to say I'm using a certain strategy forever. Whatever that's making money right now, that's what I do. Until it doesn't work anymore, then I know I need to adapt. So when they say you need to a strategy that adapts to the market, it basically means your strategy is always gonna change. It's never gonna stay the same. You understand? Your strategy is always changing. So yeah, it can never just be one strategy for life. You need to do what's making money, fam. I might be trading next 100 now, but if there's a better, there's more money, or there's more chances favoring making money on synthetic indices, that's what we're gonna trade. That's the videos I'm gonna make. So you understand? I'm just doing what's making money right now. Can you say you need to be dynamic? Exactly. You need to be dynamic, my G. You can't just be static. You can't be the same thing in this, because the market is always going through phases. You understand? How do I interpret weeks? Yeah, ish. You see, now you want me to go down the rabbit hole, but it's fine. I'm gonna try to explain what I'm seeing here in terms of candlestick formation, of course. So there's some patterns in this industry that you need to know for sure. Like, there's no shortcut. You understand? So you see this candlestick here. We have a trend line. This is an uptrend, basically. We look at the low, higher low, and higher low again. You understand? We have a high. This one is not really high, but the candlestick close is higher. So it's higher than this one. And then this one is high. So it's an uptrend, basically. You understand? So we have the first low, second low. On the third low, do you see that we had a breakout of this candlestick, but the next one completely swallowed the previous candlestick? So that will be called an engulfing candlestick, and a bullish engulfing candlestick. So some candlestick formations or patterns like this, you need to know them. Also, this one I think is called the shooting star, the one that's here. I never use things like shooting stars and stuff, but the way I interpret this one, I'm not too technical with the names, but the way I interpret this one is, you can see this is a level. So for the market to come down here and drop this week, meaning at some point this week was completely full and bearish, and then it still managed to close above this level. It kind of shows the momentum, where the momentum is lying. It's not, the sellers are not that strong for this level. So I would most probably look to buy, but I wouldn't rely on it to just push up, like push up until, what can I draw? I wouldn't rely on this. If I'm buying here, I wouldn't rely on it to push until like here. You understand? I would rely on it to push until somewhere here, and then drop and come down here before eventually going, which is a area where now we would have something like a trend line like this. You understand? So it's not fully developed yet. The structure that I'm seeing here, it's not fully developed yet. So this is just some of the. Now we're looking at gold, my G. We're looking at gold. This is just some of the candlestick formations and patterns and stuff that you need to know, obviously. Some of them you need to know them from. So back to gold. Alright, we have this trend line. Fortunately, it can't go further. It can't go further back than this, because now the movement here is choppy. So we have to find structures that are working right now. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to clone this trend line and see if we can put it, actually have another one at the top, but I highly doubt it. Oh, yeah. You see now. We are making progress. We're making progress. So as far as gold goes, I used to trade synthetics. I trade them when I'm bored, fam. I wouldn't say I treat them like full time. I treat them only when I'm bored, because most of the money I've made, or the money I'm making right now, is coming from NES 100. You understand? So that's the one I'm trading the most. That's why my videos are mostly focused on NES 100 or indices, because that's where I'm making most of my money right now. So in terms of gold, I can't tell you to buy yet, and I can't tell you to sell, because I need this structure to develop a little bit more for it to give me structure. You understand? Are you a Falcon student? I don't know which one is this one, my G. What do you think about funding challenges? Which one? Like, tell me more. What is it about funding challenges? Like, how is it a funding challenge? What do you work with HTFs or LTFs? What is this one? High TF some I don't know which one is this one, fam. Is it a political party or what? The HTF and the LTF. I don't know this one. Buy to sell, would I be wrong? Yeah, buy to sell. I think a buy to sell because I think this traction, I think it might go up, but it doesn't mean it's buying for sure. I think it's just a trap, and then it's gonna drop here, somewhere here, and then once it does that, then at least I can have a trend line. That's gonna show me a breakout when the market, at least it comes out of here. You understand? Then maybe I can enter for buy somewhere here. You understand? It will look somewhat like this for me to like I need the full structure. Basically, is what I'm saying. You understand? Yo, I heard, my G. I heard the rave manipulations. The synthetics are also having manipulation because those ones used to have the most proper structure, but I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know what happened, fam. Because even the people who are trading those things are seeing flames now. But I know one trader who kills synthetics. He's actually a friend and he's a good guy. Yo, Mara. Okay, my G, listen. Don't fight, my G. I know you're saying Mara, it's a buyer, my guy, but me, I said I need more structure for me to trade this thing. It's an uptrend. It's favoring buys more than sells, but I needed to set up my buy first before I can operate for buy. Yeah, well,